Frustrated by the PhysX 3 DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to re-register those gaming components today. As we prepare to resolve PhysX 3, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the PhysX 3 86-bit, the 32-bit NVIDIA PhysX core engine. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of rigid body dynamics and math, facilitating the 3D physics data link for modern game execution manifests. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The PhysX 3 DLL library is bundled specifically for NVIDIA PhysX operations, and you must run the official setup for the program, encountering the error to repair the broken links and restore the missing data. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with PhysX 3. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. A quick warning: many sites offering PhysX 3 DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If you're addressing PhysX 3 inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored PhysX 3 functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.